How's it going? I'm Sergeant Philip Ribas here at the 201st T-Pace. I'm 46 Sierra Mass Communicator, and this is what one of our standard media kits look like. So I'm going to walk you through it as we do our periodic inventory, and I'm going to have our soldiers here help us call out the items and put it away. So this is what our inventory sheet looks like, and we're just going to go down the list here, and then if you soldiers can hold them up. So let's hold up the big giant 𝐓𝐏𝐀𝐒𝐄 case back there. Boom. Perfect. And then we have 3 component cases that all these items are going to go into, starting with our Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body. We use this to shoot both still and video. Go ahead and we'll get rid of that. We have a variety of protectors for all of our lenses. So we got UV filters, we got ND filters, and we got screen protectors to make sure our gear lasts as long as possible. For our lenses, we have a 24-70, and that's going to be a Canon, nice red ring L series lens, I think. There we go. Next up, we have more filters. So these are different filter pouches that we use. Inside of them, we have ND filters, so we can shoot helicopters and harsh lighting and still get a nice rotor blur. The next thing we have neutral density filters. That's the one I already gave you. For our flash unit, we got the Canon flash. We can also trigger this remotely, so it could be an off-camera flash. And there we go, we can put the flash away. And that comes with our rechargeable batteries. Plenty of batteries. All right, next up we have the computer. We got this nice handy dandy Dell computer. I think it's an i7, maybe 32 gigs of RAM. Gets the job done. We got Premiere Pro, we got Adobe, we got Lightroom in there. And then that comes with a drive kit. The military still likes to use CDs and things like that for security. So if we're using sensitive, if we're shooting sensitive situations, what we could do is burn those CDs and archive those so they never have to go across any unsecured network. There we go. Headset. So do we have the headset on here? There we go. Headset. Let's check out what kind of headset we're using. We got the Sennheiser HD280 Pro. Recorder. For sound, we like to use this Zoom recorder, so we can do some nice interviews with that stereo sound. Go back for our mic, we have the Boom Rode mic. Can I get that one? Let's see if this is active or passive. This is a passive mic, so we don't need batteries. We always like to have backups to the backup, so we have our lav mics. Next. Ooh. And for that, we got the Sennheisers. Ooh, with the cold shoe, and then the different lav mics. Get that nice clean audio. All right, let's get that looking good. Well, if we can fix the wires on that one, that'd be great. All right, next page. We got our batteries, battery chargers. We got our wireless battery chargers. We got waterproof cases. More batteries. These ones aren't the waterproof cases, but we do have that. And then our actual double battery charger. Let me grab that. So sometimes we'll go on long missions. We get like 6 or 7, maybe 8 batteries. And we can charge 3 batteries at once. So we have 1, 2, and then the standard 3 that comes with the kit. Power strip electrical. The big long guy. Oh, that's right, we're using that right now. Okay. So we got the disk drives, we got the cable assembly, adapters. Okay, let's talk about some of our adapters. We also get GoPro units. So we have all our GoPro batteries and accessories right here with your standard assortment of head mounts, chest straps, helmet straps, Humvee straps. Can we get that cleaned up just a little bit? And then we'll just go through the table here. For our computer, we have our USB port. We have our cleaning toolkit, so we can get the sand, dust, and grime, whatever we have. Here we have our USB hub, so we can connect it to a workstation. We can work remotely with our laptop, or we can have a base of operations, mobile media center with some larger displays and hard drives for bigger projects. There we go. I think we got that. And that also goes with the computer stuff. This also goes with the computer stuff. And this is interesting right here. Optitech USA. So what you do here is one side goes to the camera, the other side goes to the lens, and then you got night vision. So these are actually pretty expensive, but you get some cool footage out of them when we do night operations. There we go, that's that. This is more audio. Going back to our lens here. So we get a 70 to 200. Put that away. We get all kinds of waterproof boxes and tough boxes, so we can tailor our gear to our mission. Let's go ahead and put all the little knickknacks in there. And then I'll end with, what we got right here is a waterproof case for the phone, or for the camera. You put the camera in there, the lens comes out of this side, and now you can shoot in the rain, or the snow, or wherever we go. Winning America's wars. There we go. And flash unit, your standard. Oh yeah. And I'm not quite sure what this is, but I do believe it's one of those framing tools. So as a director, you can throw a lens on that side. Then on this side, you just have an optic. You can look through and get your shot ready to go. We don't use this much because a lot of the shooting that we do is running and gunning. We're shooting real live events, real life training exercises, and there's not much stage prepared material.